With the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. I, Naveed Nayyar, and my partner Ashir Javed pay thanks to our university and teacher who gave an opportunity to present our FIP, and also thanks to our advisor for proper guidance. Moving forward, our FIP is Integrated Pollution Monitoring System. So what is mean by integrated? Basically, we add three different pollutants like air, water, and noise. In air, we add three different sensors: MQ7 to measure smoke, PM2.5, and PM10 to calculate particulate matter. If we talk about water, we add two sensors like pH and turbidity to measure the purification of water. We also make an Android app to measure the noise.
Here is the hardware of the system that measures various pollutant values as mentioned earlier, along with the current location of system using a GPS sensor, and sends the collected data to the cloud by means of internet connectivity using ESP8266. The Android application that serves the purpose of recording noise pollution in terms of decibels. The application measures decibels in terms of sound pressure level on the microphone and sends the values to the cloud. The dashboard shows the air quality, which is computed using the three air pollutant values, pH and turbidity of water, as well as the decibel values of the microphone. Current location of the system can be seen below over the map. The web application has different pages for different pollutions, which shows the historical record of data as well as the different analytics of the pollutants. This page represents water pollution that encases real-time pollution, as well as highest values of the month, previous month, and overall. The table below shows the log of data where the location coordinates are present that can be converted into a map by means of the locate button. This page represents noise pollution in terms of decibels, having the analytics and the log as well. This page has the data for air pollution, which has the same analytical values as water, and a table for the log of data as well. Current AQI calculated from the air pollutants along with the major pollutant value can be seen here. The system is also capable of predicting pollutant values. The predicted PM2.5 and PM10 values for tomorrow are also shown here. Charts page shows the charted values of the pollutants that can be used to see certain trends in the data. The last page shows the various locations at which the system has been run and has collected data from. The system sends mails to the subscribed entity daily that represent the daily highs and averages of the pollutant values. The system is also capable of sending warning mails if a certain pollutant value exceeds the threshold value provided by the WHO. This is the flow diagram of the entire system that exactly depicts what the system is about to do.